Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this one I'm showing you how to import 3D models from Blender to Roblox Studio. So select your model in object mode in Blender and press Ctrl A. Then click all transforms to force the scale value back to a clean 1.0. Then you just hit File, then Export, and then FBX. Inside the configuration panel sidebar, check the box for selected objects. Then scroll down to the Transform menu matrix, set Apply Scaling strictly to FBX All, leave the forward axis settings at their defaults, and save your file. And now to Roblox Studio. So you just open your Place file in Roblox Studio, navigate to the top header ribbon, and select the Home or Avatar tab. Then just click the 3D Importer button to deploy the main file navigation window dashboard. Locate and then double-click your exported FBX file. This way, you can just toggle the checkboxes for anchored or rescale to fit, depending on your gameplay requirements, and then click Import. And this concludes the tutorial on this particular import method. If this video helped you out, as always, make sure to like and subscribe.